Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Computershare account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.computershare.com. Now in this page, you'll have to select your location. Here, scroll down your screen and click on Login to Employee Online option. Now in this page you'll have to enter your company code or company name, then tap on next button, then follow through the prompts and fill in the information that is required in order to log in. And that is how you can log into Computershare account online. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.